If the collar is too high, don't cut it yet. Draw a straight line at the shoulder neck point. Then measure 10 centimeters down from the line and make a mark. Then use these 3 points as a base to connect them and draw an arc. If you can't draw a smooth curve, you can use a plate like I did to make it easier. Then trim along the straight line. Then for the arc, leave a 0.8 seam allowance and trim it off. Remember to only cut the top layer. For the back piece, mark 3 centimeters down from the top. Draw a line parallel to the straight edge above. Cut both sides into an arc and cut the middle part along the line you drew. Then use a measuring tape to find the length of the front neckline plus the length of the back neckline. Take that total length and multiply it by 0.8. That will be the length of our ribbing. Then, with right sides together, sew the ribbing. After sewing, open up the seam and fold it in half. For a standard crew neck, we only need a width of 2 centimeters. Then add a 0.7 centimeter seam allowance, so you'll need 2.7 centimeters. Remember, 2.7 centimeters is the folded measurement. Now we'll trim off the excess. Next, fold the ribbing in half, shift the raw edge inward a bit. About 2 centimeters down from the left shoulder, we'll start sewing the seam from here. Straighten out the entire collar, shift the raw edge inward about 0.2, and directly sew on the ribbed collar with a 0.8 seam allowance. While sewing, you must stretch the collar. That way it will be elastic when it's finished. If you have a serger at home, you can directly use the serger to attach it. Then top stitch a 0.6 seam from the front. This method of changing a turtleneck to a crew neck is very simple. If your fabric is very stretchy, you can use the same fabric to make the collar. After it's done, the serge seam of the ribbing has covered the raw edge inside, and the elasticity is also really good. Isn't it very simple?